My name is Lindsay Smith. I'm a manufacturing engineer level 2 and I work at Ransomes Jacobsen. I definitely recommend an apprenticeship. I think as a 6 years it's been excellent. I'm still enjoying it and I've enjoyed it the whole way through. I've developed hugely as a person. When I started I was very shy and very introverted and within myself, whereas now I'm quite open and I'm comfortable speaking to new people and going up and introducing myself. So it's changed me an awful lot as a person for the better, and obviously my professional development has been fantastic. I've got my degree and I've improved as an engineer from not really knowing anything about it to being where I am now and taking over teams and projects, so it's fabulous. Whilst getting your qualification, you're also getting the hands-on industry experience, which is super valuable, and you can't cheat that. You have to just do it with how long it takes. You know, I've been here nearly 6 years now, so, and that can't be sped up. That's taken nearly 6 years. So I've done that alongside my studies. So I've now got 6 years and a degree, which would normally take 10 years if you did it the traditional university career route. It's really easy to learn. It's a lot easier than just having the books and doing that for 2 or 3 years and then having to say, right, well, remember everything you've done and now apply it. You can learn a little bit of theory and then the next week apply it in real life and have that memory to say, oh, I know how this works and how it works, and I've seen proof of it happening, so you can really solidify what you've learned in the classroom. Recently had a transition from America, which brought all of the production from a factory in America to all in Ipswich. We've had lots and lots of tools and new products come from there. So for example, one I did the other week where they had a big form tool for a press. They used a different attachment system on their press in the States, so we had to take that apart, clean it up, put our own attachment system on, and then put it on our press and test to see if it worked. So that was really good. That worked first time actually, so there you go. The company are definitely pushing my progression and my improvement. So my manager is Chris. He's really helpful with doing the people side and the managing side, and then I've got technical people around me to help me progress on the hands-on theoretical side. So it's really good. There's a good support network around me.